Are there birdies out there? What are they doing? Is it raining? What are the birdies doing? Yeah. Good boy. Oh, what was that? My goodness. Flop? Is that Bucky? He's being pretty loud, huh? I agree. The Winter Soldier is quite loud in the background. He's distracting you from your birdie watch. You're gonna get the birdies. My goodness, there's lots of birdies out after the rain. I know, they're gonna try to get some worms. I know. Flip Flop, is that the end of your afternoon report? You have anything else to say? Oh my goodness. Wow, look at all the birdies in the tree. You see them, you guys? Lots of birdies out. Just stopped raining, and Flip Flop is giving his afternoon report. Is there anything else you have to say? No? Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Bye. No, Abby's here for the afternoon report. We got unison tail wagging going. Oh. Still raining, guys. Yeah, I know.
Wait, it's raining?
Okay, you guys finished with your afternoon report? Yeah. Yeah. You still watching the birdies, guys? You are? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Hmm? What do you think, Flip Flop? What do you think, buddy? Okay. Say goodbye to everybody. Oh my. Thank you for watching the Aria and Flip Flop show. And remember, if you're not subscribed, get subscribed and come back and watch Flip Flop and Aria and the family have more fun. Bye.